Welcome, everyone. If you're watching this, you're probably thinking about how to stay youthful, vibrant, and full of life after 50. Whether you've just crossed that milestone or are looking ahead, today we're breaking down everything you need to know to stay younger in body, mind, and spirit. We'll cover everything from diet, exercise, skincare, and mental wellness to lifestyle habits that will help you defy the passage of time. Let's get started. Segment 1. The Science of Aging. Before we jump into tips, let's first understand what happens to the body as we age. Aging is a natural process, but it's driven by various factors, including genetics, lifestyle, and environmental influences. As we age, our cells lose their ability to repair and regenerate as quickly as they did in our youth, leading to wrinkles, joint pain, and reduced energy. But here's the good news. While we can't stop time, we can definitely slow down the effects of aging with the right habits and mindset. Segment 2. Nutrition. You are what you eat. One of the most powerful ways to stay younger after 50 is through your diet. Here's a rundown of key dietary habits to adopt. Antioxidants are your best friend. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries, dark leafy greens, and nuts help fight off oxidative stress and protect your cells from damage. Healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, are essential for maintaining skin elasticity, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain health. Lean proteins. As you age, muscle mass tends to decline, which can affect strength and metabolism. Eating lean proteins like chicken, turkey, beans, and tofu can help you maintain muscle and keep your energy levels high. Stay hydrated. Water is key for keeping your skin glowing and flushing out toxins from your body. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And here's a tip. Try incorporating more collagen-rich foods like bone broth, as collagen helps keep your skin firm and smooth. Segment 3. Exercise. Move to stay young. Staying physically active is one of the best ways to keep your body youthful. Exercise not only improves cardiovascular health, but also boosts mood, energy levels, and cognitive function. Here are the top exercises to focus on. Strength training. As we get older, we naturally lose muscle mass. Strength training helps rebuild muscle, improves bone density, and supports better posture. Try weightlifting, resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises like squats and lunges. Cardiovascular workouts, running, walking, swimming, or cycling, are great for your heart health and increasing stamina. A mix of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and low-intensity steady-state, LISS cardio can work wonders. Flexibility and balance. Yoga, Pilates, and Tai Chi are fantastic for improving flexibility, balance, and reducing joint stiffness. Plus, they help you relax and reduce stress. Segment 4. Youthful skin. Let's move on to skincare, because glowing, healthy skin can make you look and feel years younger. As we age, our skin naturally loses elasticity and collagen, which can lead to wrinkles and sagging. But with the right skincare routine, you can maintain youthful skin well into your golden years. First, daily sunscreen. Sun damage is one of the leading causes of premature aging. Make sure to wear sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even if it's cloudy. Second, moisturize regularly. Hydrating your skin helps lock in moisture, keeping your skin supple and plump. Look for moisturizers with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. Third, exfoliate. Gentle exfoliation. A few times a week helps remove dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover, giving you a fresh and vibrant complexion. Fifth, retinoids and vitamin C. These powerful ingredients help stimulate collagen production and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Segment 5. Mental wellness. The power of positivity. Staying young isn't just about the physical, it's about your mental and emotional well-being too. Your mind plays a huge role in how youthful you feel. First, keep learning. Keeping your mind sharp by learning new things helps maintain cognitive function and slows brain aging. Take up a new hobby, learn a language, or read books regularly. Second, manage stress. Chronic stress can accelerate aging. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to reduce stress. Remember, a calm mind equals a healthy body. Third, stay socially active. Maintaining close relationships and engaging in social activities helps reduce feelings of loneliness and boosts mental health. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift you. Segment 6. Lifestyle habits for youthful living. Now, let's talk lifestyle habits that will help you stay young inside and out. First, quality sleep. Getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night is essential for cell repair, memory consolidation, and overall health. Make sure to establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Second, quit smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking ages the skin and damages your health, while excessive alcohol can lead to dehydration and inflammation. Cutting these out, or reducing them, can make a huge difference in how you look and feel. Third, stay positive. A positive attitude can do wonders for your outlook on life. Focus on gratitude, practice self-care, and embrace aging as a beautiful process. Segment 7. As we age, hormone levels can change, particularly in women going through menopause and men experiencing a drop in testosterone. Hormonal imbalances can affect energy, mood, and weight. Here's how to manage it. Consult your doctor. If you feel symptoms like extreme fatigue, depression, or weight gain, talk to your healthcare provider about hormone therapy or alternatives. Segment 8. Mindset. Finally, the best way to stay young after 50 is to embrace aging gracefully. Aging is a privilege, and with the right mindset, it can be an enriching and fulfilling journey. Instead of focusing on trying to look 20 again, focus on feeling healthy, strong, and confident at whatever age you're at. And there you have it. Everything you need to know to stay young, vibrant, and healthy after 50. Remember, age is just a number, and with the right habits, you can continue to thrive and feel amazing in every decade of your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Here's to aging gracefully and staying forever young.